2007 VW Jetta. What we got done on it, still got the factory converter. We left one of the resonators. We cut the second resonator off, did a resonator delete, and the rear muffler delete. Because you know, we like them loud. There they are right there. That's the old ones. We cut them all off and put this instead. Looks so much better. Be nice and loud, hopefully. And with leaving that resonator on it, it'll give it a little bit deeper sound. It won't be too raspy. And it's a 2.5 liter. Again, 2007 Jetta. There it is, muffler delete and resonator delete, and left the catalytic converter and the first resonator because they didn't want it to be too raspy. Not bad. What do you think? You like it? Sound decibels again? Peak the like same about the like that one, 103. Not bad on that. That's the sound decibel meter. Yeah, 103. It's not bad at all. There's the stuff we took off of it right there. W Jetta. Oh, it sounds good. Let you guys hear on that. Yeah, you see that? There you go. Much better.